food sponsor ni semua cabut lari, takut associate. So tak apalah, dah itu rezeki I kan. Tapi tak juga miskin I pun. Well, for me at that time, yes, I'm a bit, not to say down, but I was a bit disappointed lah. I felt like, wow, people can be so evil. People can be so tak timang rasa ya dalam keadaan all that, and then but then I understand because tak kala kita ni, betul lah orang kata masa hidup ni, masa kita senang ni, semua orang nak tenaga kita, semua orang nak ni. So contoh tu lah, macam ada kawan-kawan pun, ada setengah kawan-kawan tu lari tinggal kita masa kita susah kan, bila kita bercerai ke apa ke, bisnes kita down pun, you dengar kawan-kawan, masa kita kaya raya senang, everybody come to you, and that's very true, So but for me, I guess because I was at that time very, orang kata boleh katakan financially stable lah. I had insurance, I had savings and all that, so I didn't have problem with kewangan. But the only thing when I was thinking about diorang tarik tu, macam I felt like macam a bit disappointed lah kan. But I can understand their situation as well, because they don't want to associate with orang yang macam penyakit. Jadi macam orang nanti orang agak makan santan ni ke jadi cancer, agak kan makan minyak ni ke jadi cancer, because for me it's to do with food, So jadi food sponsor ni semua cabut lari, takut associate. So tak apalah, dah itu rezeki I kan. Tapi tak juga miskin I pun kan. I pun have business, ada apa. So macam, tapi kesian lah kalau kena pada orang-orang yang lain kan. So I think orang-orang yang macam ni kadang-kadang kena a little bit more sympathetic. And I think orang bila sakit-sakit ni kita nak stand by, especially bila orang tak ada kemampuan. And I think we should help somehow lah kan. And not orang kata turn your back kan, bila orang sakit kita turn back, and that's not nice.